Hello. This video will show you how to access your Canvas course for Extension Lifelong Learners if you need to set up a brand new NetID. Once you are enrolled in a Canvas course, watch for an email invitation from noreply@welcome.csis.wisc.edu with the subject line UW-Madison, access your online course site. Your login for Canvas is called a NetID. If you think you may already have a NetID, select Yes. You will be able to check for sure. Otherwise, select No. In this case, we'll select No and set up a new NetID. The next step is to set up your NetID. The system will create an account for you and activate it. Next, you will accept policies and set up security questions and a password. Throughout this process, you will be asked to acknowledge and accept several policies. When you finish, click Next. You will need to accept the terms of service. The important pieces here are: do not share your login with anyone else and use a strong password. You will also need to set up an email address for account recovery. You will need to answer some security questions as well. Finally, set up a strong password and keep it secure. Provide a recovery email address should you need it. Once your account is set up, you will receive this message. Confirm your account by clicking the link that was sent to your recovery email address. You're all set. Click the button to be taken to canvas.wisc.edu. Log into Canvas using your newly created NetID and password. Once there, bookmark the page so that you can come back to it easily. You will see all of the courses in which you are enrolled. If you need technical assistance, please contact the University of Wisconsin-Madison Help Desk. Tell them that you are an L3 student and they will be able to assist you more efficiently.